Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a clear glass material in Blender. I'm using a cup model from the kit library, but you can use any model you like. Before we start, we need proper lighting. You can add lights manually, but I'll use the quick environment add-on to set up studio lighting. Switch to render view and set the rendering engine to cycles. Add a camera to the scene to frame your object properly. Open a new workspace for shading. Click New to add a material. Delete the principled BSDF shader. Press Shift+A and add a glossy shader. Since we need a glass effect, add a refraction shader as well. Hold Shift+Ctrl and use the right mouse button to mix the glossy and refraction shaders. In the mix factor, add a Fresnel node. For the IOR's index of refraction value, look it up online. It's around 1.55 for clear glass. Enter this value in both the Fresnel and refraction nodes. If your material looks more like chrome than glass, flip the mix. Just move the refraction shader to the top. And that's it. You now have a simple and effective clear glass material for any project. If you want to learn more advanced glass techniques, check out my next tutorial. See you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.